Artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere you look. From your smartphone to futuristic robots, it's the biggest buzzword in tech. But what actually is it? At its core, AI is about machines mimicking human intelligence. It's software designed to learn, reason, and solve problems, adapting over time without being explicitly programmed for every single task. Think of your streaming service recommendations. That's AI. It analyzes your viewing habits, compares them with millions of others, and suggests shows you'll love. This is a common form of AI called machine learning. Then there's deep learning, a more advanced branch. It powers things like facial recognition, self-driving cars, and even medical image analysis, allowing computers to see and understand complex data. How does it learn? Through massive amounts of data. AI models are trained on data, identifying patterns and rules, much like a child learns from experiences. The more data, the smarter it gets. AI is transforming industries, predicting stock market trends, optimizing logistics, assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, and even creating art. Its applications are constantly expanding. The future of AI holds incredible promise. Imagine personalized education, climate change solutions, and even new scientific discoveries. It's a tool that amplifies human potential. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations like bias, privacy, and job displacement are crucial conversations happening right now to ensure AI benefits everyone. So, AI isn't just code, it's a dynamic force reshaping our world, learning, adapting, and continuously evolving. It's the intelligence of tomorrow, here today. What's your take on AI?